Pala, Kadrisa's leadership program was transformative and inspires us to grow as a leader. Sir's insight, expertise, and enthusiasm made it an unforgettable experience. Thank you for empowering us to reach new heights.
Kadri sir is a compelling speaker who engages with enthusiasm and inspires positive changes. His approach is unique and captivative, enabling students to gain new perspectives and understand various points of view. Over these days, Kadrisa has covered so many important topics like confidence, motivation, public speaking, Murphy's Law, and more. And also, we would love to have more sessions with you in the future. Thank you, sir.
Kadri sir is a great speaker and an inspiring person with great life experiences. He discussed us with Murphy's Law, public speaking, importance of being confident, and many other topics. He was able to bring out the best in us. Individual attention paid by him was much appreciable. Thank you, sir. We would love to have your session again. Thank you.
And his sessions are really so amazing. There are a lot of interesting and engaging activities. And he also helps us to break our shells and come out and speak in a public. And he also shares a lot of inspirational real life stories which actually motivate people, and it really brings a lot of courage in us. And it's my privilege to meet him and able to attend his class. And thank you so much, Kadrisa, for your wonderful session.